compare the population growth rate or the population rate in India, Indian population at the time of independence, that is at 1947, it was 350 million, and at present, that is in 2020, it is approximately 1.3 billion, 3 billion. And we know that 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. This is about the data of the world population and a comparison with the Indian population. In 1900, the world population was about 2 billion, and at present, it is approximately about 7.8 billion. And in Indian population at the time of independence, that is in 1947, it was 350 million, and at present it is approximately 1.3 billion. So as I told in the beginning, the improved life facilities, availability of resources and better living conditions improved or increased the population growth or the population density up to an uncontrolled manner. So such a condition we call it as the population explosion. The increase in size of population growth of human population, increase in size of growth of human population is called population explosion. So these conditions are leading to the population explosion. Now let us see what are the reasons of the population explosion. The reasons of population explosion are decline in death rate, decline in the maternal mortality rate, MMR, that is maternal mortality rate, decline in IMR, that is the infant mortality rate, longer lifespan, increased lifespan, and some of the religious belief against birth control, and lack of reproductive health knowledge. So these are some of the causes or the reasons of population explosion. Now let's look into the causes of population explosion. The reasons of population explosion, let us see that it is the decline in death rate. The death rate have been decreased because of the improved health facilities, medical facilities, etc. Transportation, etc. have been improved. And decline in maternal mortality rate, MMR, and a decrease in IMR, infant mortality rate, and the lifespan have been increased, longer lifespan, and also some of the religious belief against birth control and lack of reproductive health knowledge. Now let us discuss some points regarding to the control the population explosion. Some steps to overcome population explosion. Motivate smaller families using contraceptive methods. And second point, give awareness through media. This media awareness, which may include the posters, bills, etc.
Like a famous slogan at the time of family planning itself, hum do hamare do, which means we too, our too.
Or it could be little more advanced in the urban areas. Even the working couples of the urban area have been changed this norm to one child. And statutory raising of marriageable age. For males it is 21 and for females it is 18. And another strategy is giving incentives to the couples with small families, giving incentives. Use of contraceptive methods. Which prevent unwanted pregnancies. Now let's have a brief look into the steps to overcome the control of population. Motivate smaller families by use of the contraceptive methods and giving awareness through the media like posters, bills, etc. and make use of audiovisual aids, etc. And a famous slogan, we know that it is being used from the time of family planning time, hum do, hamare do. That means we too, our too. But the policy have been changed in the urban areas, especially the couples, those who are in working. They have changed the norm into one child norm. Then statutory raising of marriageable age, for males it is 21 and for females it is 18. And also it could be advisable to give incentives to the couple of smaller families, and use of contraceptive methods will prevent unwanted pregnancies. So these are the steps that we can take to reduce or to overcome the population explosion.